Hey, Rusty Drift RC here today. Going to show you a little bit of the magic of Tamiya parts compatibility, and you may be looking, well, King Yellow and Mini Yellow. It's the M-05 here, and the G6-01 chassis here. Had a little accident with the Mini the other day, and busted the rear carrier. Now the rear carriers on the G6-01 are just a little bit different, but they're still compatible. I'm going to show you them side to side. Since I went with the four-wheel steering option, I had an extra set all ready to go. Alright, first things first, I'm going to take the body off and get to those parts here. Disregard all the dirt. This chassis has seen a lot of off-road use. That might be part of the reason it broke, but honestly, it broke driving it on some sidewalk, or that's on an asphalt paved path. Must have just side-loaded it and caught an edge and snapped it. It snapped right at the hole where it mounts to the upper link. But it shouldn't be a big deal. Let's go ahead and get that off, and I'll get moving. Alright, now that I've got them apart and taken the axle and the bearings out of them, I'm going to show you a little bit of the differences between the moldings on the G6-01 and the M-05. M-05 should be compatible, should be the same as the M-06 also. You'll notice there's a little bit difference in the molding there. It seems like the G6-01 might be a little bit beefier, the one on the left here. Might end up being a little bit stronger, I'm hoping. But if not, it should at least last as long as the other one did. Alright, so now I'm going to go ahead and mount it up and see what I've got. Alright, and there you have it. Through the magic of Tamiya and their cross-platform parts compatibility and reusing of other designs, was able to repair my M-05 rear carriers that broke using the parts from my G6-01 kit, the leftover parts from my King Yellow build. The TL-01 parts, I believe, would also be compatible. Along with several other cars. So don't throw away the spares in your kits, and also just don't be afraid to experiment and see which parts fit when you need new parts for another car. Thanks for watching. I'll talk to you later. This is Rusty Drift. Make sure you like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.